Assalamu alaikum to all. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Maham. I am a student of class 10th. So the presentation that I am going to give is human skeleton. The human skeleton is the internal framework of human body. It is made up of bones, cartilage, ligaments and joints. There are over 206 bones in adult human body. Our human skeleton consists some important minerals like calcium and phosphorus. After that, I will explain the function of human skeleton like support, protection and movement. Support is the main role and give it shape to the body. Protection, it protects our vital organs like heart, lungs and spinal cord. Last, movement. The human skeleton work with movement by working together with the muscles to allow different parts of body to move. After that, I will explain its component like skull, pectoral girdle, arms, hands, pelvic girdle, vertebral column, spinal cords, rib cage, legs and foot. Now I will explain the function of its component as skull protects our brain and spinal cord. Pectoral girdle is a bony structure and connect with the upper limb. Pelvic girdle also has a bony structure and connected with the lower part trunk. Vertebral column is also known as spine bone and it is the main part of human body. It is flexible. Now I will move to pelvic girdle, is also known as axial skeleton. Now the question is, what is axial skeleton? The upper part of our human body is called axial skeleton, consists of skull, rib cage and spinal cord. Now what about the lower part? The lower part of human body is called appendicular skeleton, consists of hands, arms, legs and foot. So the main point is the human skeleton is mainly function is support, protection and movement. So that brings us to the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for your listening.